So last period we had see preparation of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet with adjustments, further bad debt, new provision for doubtful debt, provision for discount on debtor, outstanding expenses, accrued income, income received in advance is studied. So now we will do the problem. So in this question, look that adjustment, closing stock that already we know, trading account credit side and the balance sheet asset side. That no problem. What do you look at? Second adjustment, private purchases. So first time we see this adjustment, private purchases amounting to rupees 5,000 debited to purchase account. Private purchases 5,000 debited to purchase account. Private purchases. What is this? Private. That is included in the purchase. That is included in the purchase. Means purchase it is given 5,50,300. In this, private purchase are there. Private purchase means what? Anyone? Private. What is that? Who said? And Josephine? Yes, drawings. So, what we have to do? From purchase, this it is a drawings only that we have to deduct. Okay? 55,000. 55,300. So, I like 50,300. Trading account. Then balance sheet, where balance sheet, it is a private purchase. It is drawings only. It is drawing. So from capital we will adjust now, add net profit less drawings. So with that, with the drawings is there that you have to deduct. If any other drawings is there, already you look at that drawings already is there inside the trial balance. Inside the trial balance. So that plus this one. So how much amount we have to minus? 19,000 we have to minus. Inside the trial balance, one drawings is given 14,000. So now after preparing the trial balance, we found some more drawings. So total 19,000 we have to deduct from capital. Okay. So first purchase minus drawings. That is you have to minus. So we have to write the business expense only. To purchase less drawings. Then from balance sheet, from capital you have to minus. So inside the trial balance drawings is given 14,000, then adjustment 5,000. Okay, that is second adjustment. If a private purchase is there, from included in the purchase, so from purchase you have to minus, then from balance sheet capital less drawings. Next, third adjustment already you know, provision for doubtful debt, that already you know. Okay, so with the bad debt add new provision, that already you know. Next, fourth adjustment. Signboard costing rupees 5,000. Signboard costing rupees 5,000 included in advertising. Okay, included in advertising. Signboard costing rupees 4,000 included in advertising. So signboard is included in advertising. Signboard means board, signboard for advertisement purpose. We are using signboard. That is asset only. That board. That it is included in. That is it is a capital expenditure that is included in revenue expenditure. So advertising is it is given in the trial balance 10,000. So if any signboard is there, you have to minus. It is a capital expense. Signboard is asset. Board is asset. Board is asset. So that we have to minus. Then balance sheet. Only adjustment have to effect. Balance sheet you have to write in the asset side. Signboard. Signboard. 4,000. Clear? Atul? Signboard is asset. From advertising, you have to minus. Then balance sheet, asset side. Private purchase means drawings. That's why from capital you have to minus in balance sheet. Signboard is asset. Thing is that here means, what is the point means capital expenditure. The expenditure for the purchase of fixed assets. It is included in the revenue expenditure. Okay, that is this pointer. So from advertising you have to minus, then it will come asset side. Next, depreciate furniture, that already you know. Profit and loss account debit side, and from balance sheet asset you have to minus. So I will tell opening stock trading account, furniture balance sheet, purchases trading account, carriage inward trading account, bad debt profit and loss account, wages trading account, debtors balance sheet, sales return trading account, rent profit and loss account, miscellaneous expenses profit and loss account, salary profit and loss account, cash balance sheet, drawings balance sheet liability, building balance sheet asset, advertising profit and loss account debit side, interest on bank overdraft profit and loss account debit side. Next, sales trading account, creditors balance sheet liability, bank overdraft balance sheet liability, provision for bad and doubtful debt old provision, discount profit and loss account credit side, capital balance sheet liability, purchase return trading account. Then adjustment, closing stock, trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. Second, private purchases amounting to rupees 5,000 debited to purchase. From purchase you have to minus, from and in balance sheet liability side, capital less drawings. Next, provision for doubtful debt, bad debt add new provision. Then from balance sheet asset, from debtors you have to minus. Signboard costing rupees 4,000 included in advertising. So from advertising you have to minus, and balance sheet signboard asset. Next, depreciate furniture, profit and loss account debit side, and balance sheet from asset you have to minus. So we'll start trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ending. So on the basis of question you have to write 31st March 2015. If it is another date, that date you have to write. Next, first item, to opening stock. If you have any doubt, you can ask. 25,000 to purchases. So whenever you write the purchases, any adjustment, yes, private purchase is there. 55,000, 5,55,300 less drawings. Less drawings 5,000. It is given in the adjustment. So 5,50,300. Next, direct expenses. First, we will write wages to wages. To wages, 52,000. 52,000. Wages 52,000. Next, carriage inward to carriage inward. To carriage inward, 4,700. 4,700.
Sir, purchase return.
Sorry, okay, yes. So that also you have to minus. Less purchase return less purchase return 20,000. So 5,30,300. Five lakh 30,300. Next, carriage inward. After that, any other item? No item related to trading account. Next, buy sales 7 lakh less sales return. No sales return. Okay, less sales return 15,000. So 6,85,000. Next, buy closing stock. Buy closing stock. It is given in the adjustment 36,000. Any other item? Adjustment also not there. Okay. So credit side is more. Total, Karthik?
$7,21,000.
Yes, 7,21,000. 7,21,000 to gross profit C bar D. Difference. Difference amount
1,09,000.
1,09,000. By gross profit B bar D 1,09,000. Next, profit and loss account. We know that first item to salary. To salary, any adjustment? No adjustment related to salary. 68,000. Next, we can write from first onwards. You can look. Bad debt last we will write. Rent. Any adjustment? No adjustment related to rent. To rent. To rent 24,000. Next, rent after rent. Miscellaneous expenses, no adjustment. Miscellaneous expenses. Miscellaneous expenses 3,400. Next, salary over advertising. So advertising, one adjustment is there. Signboard is there. Advertising 10,000 less signboard 4,000. So this is 6,000. Next, interest on bank overdraft. Interest on bank overdraft, directly it is given. Interest on bank overdraft bank overdraft 7,000. 7,000. Interest on overdraft 7,000. Then bad debt is there. That bad debt we will write last. Next, we have to look the credit side. Discount by discount. That is income 500. 500. Next, bad debt. Next, we will do bad debt. No further bad debt. Then it is easy. 2 bad debts 1,800. No further bad debt. So add new provision. New provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debt. New provision for doubtful debt. It is easy to calculate the third adjustment. 5% on debtor. 5% on debtor means 80,000. No need to minus further bad debt because no further bad debt and in the adjustment. So 5%, 4,000. So 5,800 less old provision. It is given in the trial balance. Old provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debt. Old provision for doubtful debt. Old provision for doubtful debt. It is given in the credit side. 2,100. Okay, 3,700. Okay, next you have to look at each adjustment whether we left any item. First, closing stock we wrote, private purchase that we wrote, provision for doubtful debt we wrote, signboard we wrote. One more adjustment is there. Okay, like this way you have to depreciation. To depreciation on furniture. To depreciation on furniture. To depreciation on furniture. Furniture 10% it is given. So furniture is given in the trial balance 16,000, 10%. So 1,600 over. Like 9,500. Net loss will be. Which side is more? Debit side total? Debit side total?
1,13,700.
1,13,700. 1,13,700. So by net loss transferred to capital account. Capital account minus credit side 1,09,500. 1,09,000. So difference
4,200.
4,200. So it is given 4,600. So we'll check 4,000. Okay, 4,200. 4,200 net loss. We wrote out it in industrial bank out after 7,000. Okay. So let's go. Okay. Now we will prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet we will prepare. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2015. So first we will look at the trial balance. First furniture it is given, that is fixed assets. So little down we will write furniture 16,000. Adjustment is there, less depreciation. Whenever you are writing any item, we have to look any adjustment. 15, 16. Okay. Next, 600, cash. So asset side, first item will be cash only. 8,900. No other adjustment. 8,900. Next, building. Building, no adjustment. Building, no adjustment. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Building, no adjustment. 1,60,000. Next, credit side we will look. Credit, bank overdraft is the first item. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft that is 50,000. Then creditors 72,500. 72,500. Next capital you know that whenever we write capital 2 lakh minus net loss 4,200 drawings. So full drawings it is given in the trial balance 14,000 plus adjustment one more 19,000. Okay. Capital here net loss only, so we have to minus net loss, then minus.
Sir, on the asset side, we have to write debtors.
Okay. Yes. Sorry, I left 1,76,800. Okay, debtor we have to write sundry debtor. Sorry, debtors is given. Debtors. It is very easy because only one adjustment is there related to debtor. What is that? Less new provision for doubtful debt. New provision for doubtful debt 4,000. 76,000. Okay. Capital we wrote 1,06,000, 1,95,800, 95, 85, 75. Okay. So next you have to look at each adjustment. First closing stock. We know that is asset. Closing stock 36,000 closing stock. Second adjustment private purchases, that already we wrote. Third adjustment new provision, that already we wrote. Signboard we didn't write. Signboard, so signboard next depreciate furniture, that we wrote. So completed. So you have to check whether it is correct or not. Answer? Both sides you have to check.
2,99,300.
Yes, 2,99,300. Okay. Now, ninth one. So you have to look the ninth question. First, we have to look adjustment, provision for doubtful debt. Ninth question. First adjustment, closing stock it is given. Second one, provision for doubtful debt. 5% on sundry debtor. So already we know outstanding wages, outstanding salary, we know that, add and balance sheet liability, factory rent prepaid, prepaid factory rent, factory expenses, where it will come trading or profit and loss account, factory rent, factory expenses. Aparna, factory expenses were?
Sir, trading account.
Yes, trading account. So prepaid, you have to minus. Then depreciation on machinery, building, we know that. Profit and loss account debit side from balance sheet asset, you have to minus. Outstanding insurance, with insurance, we have to add. And the balance sheet liabilities side. Okay. Now, so I will start. March 2010. Trading and profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account for the year ending, 31st March 2014. Debit, credit. So we have to look. I will explain. Sundry debtors balance sheet, opening stock trading account, purchases trading account, carriage inward trading account, wages trading account, office rent profit and loss account, insurance profit and loss account, factory rent trading account, cleaning charges profit and loss account, salary profit and loss account, building balance sheet asset, plant and machinery balance sheet asset, cash in hand balance sheet asset, gas and water trading account, octroi trading account, furniture balance sheet, patent balance sheet, credit side creditors balance sheet liability, sales trading account, purchase return trading account, bills payable balance sheet liability, capital balance sheet liability. So to opening stock, to purchases, less purchase return, purchases, purchase return, it is given 2430. Next, wages is there. Any adjustment related to wages? Yes. To wages, 1770. Add outstanding wages. Outstanding wages. Add outstanding wages, 500. 2270. Next, carriage inward, no adjustment, carriage inward, carriage inward 450. Next, carriage insurance, factory rent 2, factory rent, factory expenses trading account, factory rent 390, 390. One adjustment is there related to factory rent, prepaid, prepaid. 100, 290. Then gas and water, no adjustment related to gas and water, same amount 240. Next, octroi, octroi to the municipality we are giving when the goods enter the municipality 60. Okay, then credit side, by sales, by sales, sales return is there, sales return, sales return, sales return, not there. By sales 72,670. Then by closing stock, it is given in the adjustment 10,000. So credit side is more 82,670. So you have to write to gross profit carry down, C bar D. Balance here, no item, factory rent, gas and water, octroi. Amount
$24,190.
24,190. 24,190. Okay, let us check. Okay.